Hey guys, on this video, we're going to talk about how to use copy that hooks your visitors either on your sales page or for advertising. We all know we got to have something that's going to grab some attention. So we're going to talk about it right after this. Okay, so you got to write copy that's going to hook your visitors, and it's got to be on, probably your landing page, home pages in some case, and definitely in your ads. So it's really not that complicated if you break it down, but you can spend a lot of time refining those messages. The first thing that needs to be worked out right away is that the ads and wherever ads take people need to be relevantly congruent. Is that the right way to say that? They need to be congruent. So the messaging on one needs to match the messaging on another. Otherwise, you just mentally lose people in between. The next piece of the puzzle is making sure that whatever the copy is in both places, that it immediately tells the visitor that they're in the right place to solve their problem. So whatever that is, that's got to be the focus of the copy. And or if you can squeeze it in, depending on what the available space is for the ad, on a landing page, you obviously have more room to wiggle in terms of how much you can write. The next piece of that is what the benefit is of solving this problem. And then the last piece on the landing page is going to be exactly what to do to get it, of course, the call to action. But the main thing is hooking the visitors with relevancy around the problem that they have in their lives that they're trying to solve. That's the hook piece, right? That it's for them. I guess that's the best way to say it. The message is for them. That's maybe another way to really express that. So go out there and look at your ads and look at your homepage, landing pages, and sales pages, and even opt-ins, frankly, anything where you're trying to connect with people, and make sure that the copy is for the people that you're in service for. Catch you on the next one. Hit the subscribe button and we'll see you then.